Get litty.
All right, what is going on, everybody? I know it's been a long time, 2 or 3 years at least. I don't even know if my GoPro is working properly. I was having a lot of issues with it, you know, just shutting off and not saving files, so might have to get a GoPro. And I'm not even sure if I know how to talk to myself anymore. But I know a lot of you guys are curious where I've been. So a lot has happened in the last 2 or 3 years. It started with me training a lot for work. I was out of town a lot for my job, and then a bunch of personal stuff happened. I am now divorced. Thank God it is over with. You know, I'm not going to speak much on that for a number of reasons. Number one being, I'm not going to sit here and badmouth somebody on social media, unlike some people. I'm just not going to sit here and do that. Just thankfully it's over. I'm glad it's over, and I'm glad it happened. So that's all I'm gonna say. I had a son that was born as well. So I mean, it's been a lot, man, over the last 2 or 3 years. But yeah, so I'm currently riding down to an appointment I've got. Got some stuff to handle, but man, I've missed it. I've missed riding. I've probably only been riding a handful of times in the last 2 or 3 years. I am selling my house, so there's that. So I gotta find another house. Is this thing on? Yeah, it's on. So that's exciting and stressful and all of the above. But what's everyone been up to, man? Like, let me know. Two or 3 years is a lot, so let me know what you've been up to, what you've been doing. If you bought a new bike, wrecked your bike. It's nice out today too. It's like 65 degrees. Nice and cool. As long as you're moving. If you're sitting still, then it gets a little warm. The bike is running good. I do have chain and sprockets for it. Me and a buddy of mine are going to put it on. I got to do an oil change, get it ready for summertime. I'm hoping to ride a lot more this summer. So that way you guys will get some videos and whatnot. But I've missed it, man. I love riding. It's just, with everything going on, man, I had no energy at all. Just been exhausted, you know, physically, spiritually, mentally, just drained. But I'm doing a lot better now, man. I am. Man, there was a couple comments. It was like, have you died yet? And when I replied no, they're like, oh, what a shame. Like, always gonna have haters, man. No matter what you do, you're always gonna have haters in life. My ex-wife is dating my old best friend from high school, so the only thing I will say is congrats to them too. Homie couldn't even send me a text. I texted him, got no reply. He's a whole bitch though, so it is what it is. He actually tried to get with her back in high school. Oh no, I stalled. tell it's been a while. Do not judge me. I usually don't stall. Do not judge me. How embarrassing. I hope nobody saw that. Shout out to my mom. She like super glued my mount for my GoPro onto my helmet, because I ordered a mount off of Chin Mounts and twice it fell off. So she had like this super strong, like, I don't know, butthole glue. I don't know what it is, but that thing is not coming off. Did anyone else get worried that their butt crack is out while riding? People are taking pictures and laughing. Hopefully my gas tank will open. I've been having issues opening it, like it's gonna get stuck. I wanted to order I want to get a capless one, but the one I wanted was like 200 bucks, man. I was like, god dang. So I've been spraying some lubricant in there, some lube. Excuse me. Oh, come on, man. Always got to rev when you're on a overpass or under an overpass. So tired of all these red lights, man. Bala, shot collar, 20-inch blades on the Impala. Oh my god. What is going on? I want to get a cruiser too. That way I have, like, you know, a choice between, you know, how I want to ride that day. Like if I just want to go, you know, low and slow and cruise, you know, take the cruiser. But if I'm on this, I always want to go fast. But it's not always me. Sometimes she just goes fast on her own. She got a mind of her own. Am I gonna get the high speed? I think I got the high speed. Alright, you guys, I am done with my appointment. I'm gonna head to the gym, do some legs. Oh, not good. All those trucks were trying to like pull into the middle of the road. Like, don't be mad at me just because you can't go in between the cars, man. It's too hot. All right, my manhood getting hot. I'm thirsty. I gotta pee. Stop playing with me. Y'all don't laugh at me while I struggle to get my gas tank open, because I'm about to struggle hard. Oh my God! That thing popped right open. Making me look like a liar. Hell wrong with me. All right. Oh, see, that was a little hard to turn. Now I gotta pick this wedgie and hope nobody sees. Oh my God. Okay, I can't do it because it's way up in there. It's just gonna have to wait. Alright, you guys, I am pulling up to the gym. So I will talk to you guys next time. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you leave a like, leave a comment. If you aren't already, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that the bell notifications are on. And as always, you guys stay blessed, ride safe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. With